Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get logged into Amazon Prime Video account. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC and there search for primevideo.com. After that, you will land it to its official homepage. Now from there, tap on sign in button at the top right. Now if you don't have your Amazon account yet, then you can simply tap on create your Amazon account button and there create your Amazon account. Now if you already have Amazon account, then type in your email or phone number that you have used to create your Amazon account. After that, type in your account password correctly. You can tap on forget your password link if you have forgotten your password. Now if you're done with typing in all your details, tap on sign in button. And that's how easily you can get logged into Amazon Prime Video account. I hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.